Hello everyone and welcome back. So today's video, I wanted to talk about bras. I've talked about the Queenie bra before. Please excuse me, I couldn't find my second one. And I wasn't going to let you see me bare naked. So, I've talked about the Queenie bras before. They have a cross back and a really good front. They're sports bras. This one's the medium support yoga bra, I believe is what it's called. Cross strap yoga bra. So, I've tried many sports bras in the past. They would always dislocate my ribs or my shoulders or things like that. They just never felt comfortable at all. And then they didn't seem to provide much support either. So, let me get this on. First of all, as you can see, just by putting it on, what's happened with my shoulders? They're held more in place. So that's one thing I've really appreciated. As you can see, they're supporting a lot more than any other sports bra I've seen. There is no wire to them, and yet they're supporting really well. I'm going to turn around and let you see in the back the cross. Hopefully you can't quite see it. Okay. There. So that is part of what holds my shoulders back. At the same time, because of the support and everything, it does not dislocate my ribs either. Everything's just held perfectly in place. It's a steady pressure that pulls me up and into proper position. So that's one thing I love about them. Now, the reason I did this video was, yes, to show you that, but that was actually a secondary because I wanted to talk about what do we do to get a bra off if it feels like our shoulders are going to dislocate. A while ago, now, I had that happen, and I really wondered, what do I do? I could tell I'd done enough that day that that the muscles were tired enough that if I took it off, I was going to be in trouble. If I took it off the normal way. You know, we all take it off, lift it up over our shoulders, or at least that's what I do with sports bras. Because that's what I do with most shirts too. So I sat there and wondered what to do. And eventually I realized, well, I can put my arm through. If I could get it over bring it this way where I didn't have to put my arm up as much, I'd be okay. But putting my arm through this way and this way, it would go down, and that wasn't going to work. And then I'm like, just try it. So I thought about this, and I went, what if I go below? And it works. I barely move the shoulders. One shoulder doesn't move really at all. The other one, as you saw, barely moves. You can do it either way. It's the very same, whether you go one way or the other, it doesn't matter. So that was huge to me. Any bra that doesn't have a clasp, obviously with a clasp, you just take the arms out, flip it around and do the clasp. That's simple. But with sports bras, you don't have that option. So then you have to figure out another way to do it. And your arms go in those holes. You usually have room as you're moving it up over your breast that, if you move it over your breast, usually that's room enough to get at least one arm through. And that's all you need. If you can get one arm out completely, it'll come off easily. Hope that helps. I hope it's not just me that's had problems with that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.